Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to make a small tutorial on how to make a simple whiteboard animation video that you can host on your website, YouTube or a social media post. So let's get started. If we head to renderforest.com. Now this is a free website. I'm going to be using the free account for this video, so I'm going to sign in with my Google account. When the site opens, you'll come to this video. So if you go up to the title bar, create video, animation video, we want explainer animation. So once you click on that, this page will open and we're going to select the whiteboard animation. Going to have to create now. Now you have three options with this page. So you have the add scene, which is what we're going to do today, or you have a loader preset, which is already a custom made story which you can edit, or type your script. This allows you just to simply type a script and they will make the video for you. It's not always the best option and it doesn't always give you the best templates for your story. So we're going to go with add scene. We're going to go to create. Now the video I'm going to prepare today is just for a blog site called snazzy.ai, and it allows you to create blog post titles quite easy. It creates the titles for you, and we're just going to do a little video. So if we scroll down here, my first scene I just want to be a text, so I'm going to go to this text holder and you've got all these different options here. I'm just going to go for a simple hand drawn. So we click on this and we press insert. So highlight the one you want, press insert. Now to speed up this process, I have already made a simple script that I'm going to input into this. So bring up my notepad. Okay, so my opening page is going to be: do you want unlimited content ideas for your affiliate blog? So that's going to be that. And then I'm going to go for scene number 2. Now for scene number 2, I'm going to be opening up the website front page. So I'm going to go for an image holder. Now as it's a website, I'm going to go for this monitor. Now with these image placeholders, they do allow you to put an image. So before the video I took some screenshots of the site. So this is the site. I've taken a screenshot of that. So if I upload a picture of my screenshot, put that in there. Now as you can see, we've got the bars, we've got all this. We don't really want that, so we'll make that a little bit bigger. You can still see the snazzy, you can see content in minutes, so that's great. Bring my script back up again, and I've got head over to snazzy.ai. So now we're going to go for the third page. Again, within the website there's another instruction of what you have to do, so I'm going to pick this one again. So let me just show you. So snazzy, so if we log in, it brings up the second page of the website. So this is what I want to highlight in my video. So here we go. So again, I've taken a screenshot. There's my screenshot right there. It's only a small bar, so we need to make this quite big. That's the portion I want highlighted in my whiteboard video. We'll go to my script. We'll go to blog ideas. Now following the blog ideas, we need to go to yet another page. So we will take this page, this template, and we'll place that in there. Again, let me just, so blog ideas. So if you do that, you come up to this page on the website. So again, I've taken another screenshot. So if we add that, then we'll make that a lot bigger. So that's what we want them to see. So we press done. Go back to my script. We want another template. Now for this one, I want to hit the create button. There are no buttons on here, so the simplest option is just to put in button in the search, and there we have a simple button. We'll insert that. Again, go back to my script. Press the create button. Okay, just going back to the original Snazzy website, this was the item we've just asked them to fill out, and now they'd be pressing the create button. Which will bring up this page. So back to our template. We want one more page. So again, we have an image holder. We'll go for the computer again. Insert. Again, going back to Snazzy, this will be the screenshot I've taken. So upload. Make that a little bit bigger. Press done. Back to my script. See your content ideas. And then we'll have one final page which will make another text holder. We'll go for the one hand again. And this is the call to action for your site. So try it now, link below. It's where for your social media posts you'll have the link to this website, or your affiliate link, or your blog, or your article, anything like that. Okay, so now we have all our templates in line. So let's pick some music. Now we want some catchy music, so let's go crazy. Let's go for some rock music. Let's see what this one's like. Yep, let's choose that one. So click on the green button there, add to project. Okay, so that's our whiteboard made. So now if we go to preview, as we're using the free version, this will be of a lower quality. I'll show you the quality at the end. It's not bad, but it does have a watermark. It just has created by Render Forest written on it. You can pay, of which you get a high definition version, high quality. Has no watermarks, but it costs around, I think it's $5 to $10. So let's press the free preview. Okay, to create the video can take 1 to 2 minutes, so I'll pause the video now and I'll come back to you when it's created. Okay, so the video is now created. What we'll do is we will download it. Okay, so we'll just put here whiteboard video, and we'll press save. Okay, so we'll click on that, we'll open this, and let's watch our finished video. wow, how great was that? I hope you was rocking out to that tune. I know I was. As you can see, that was a really easy process. That video, 48 seconds long, so okay to go on TikTok. You can use it on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, even LinkedIn. Just a really easy idea to get your content to another platform. So if you struggle on video, a little like myself, then this could be the option for you. Play around with the site. There's so many more options on there. I'm sure you'll find something that will accommodate your product, business, website. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, and I hope to come back with more hints and tips that will hopefully help you on your way. Thanks very much.